ever just like thought someone is so beautiful that you just needed to eat a hammer right there and then? I know, so relatable, right? Hi guys, welcome back to IO. I'm Rebecca Felgate, and today we are talking about the bizarre way a girl reacted to seeing a picture of her crush. Teenage fangirl Kelly got a hammer stuck in her mouth because of her love for K-pop band Bangtan Boys. Specifically, the band member Mark was really pushing her buttons. Why though? Why a hammer? Why in the mouth? What the heck is actually going on? Basically, 14-year-old Kaylee was texting her friend about her favorite K-pop star, and then she sent her a picture. She said, upon sending it, I realized how gorgeous he was, so my initial reaction was, wow, he's so beautiful, I want to eat a hammer. Which I think we can all agree is extremely odd, but you know what? The girl is quirky, so kudos to her. Kaylee said that her friend didn't believe her, so she did it and took a picture. Obviously. Unfortunately though, the hammer got stuck, which is pretty awkward. She then took to Twitter to post a picture of the hammer and said, how do you tell your mum that you got a hammer stuck in your mouth? If I had $1 for every time I pondered that age-old head scratcher. Luckily, after 10 minutes of stretching her mouth out so she looked like Wallace of Wallace and Gromit, she finally got it dislodged. Can you imagine? Like, this is painful. This for 10 minutes. This is her life. Ow. I feel weird now, and that was about 10 seconds. She later tweeted a picture of the star saying, how could you not attempt to eat a hammer because of him? He's so adorable. He's cute, I'll admit, but maybe not like eat a hammer cute. There are actually only 3 people I can think of that are eat a hammer cute to me. Alexander Skarsgård, Clint Eastwood in his day, and a young Marlon Brando. Hoo-hoo, mama! Pass me the hammer. Some people online found the whole hammer eating thing all kinds of hilarious, although others were mocking her or calling her stupid. Some even suggested that she needs to worry about her career prospects after her newfound fame. Luckily though, her teacher Christopher Spires has her back. He wrote on Facebook, if you don't know a person, then don't make assumptions about them. She's a kid, and whether you admit it or not, we all did crazy stuff as kids. By the way, she won't ever have to worry about a boss. She is going to be the boss of a lot of people. A hammer-eating boss. What a concept. So guys, who would you eat a hammer for? Let me know in the comments section down below. Also, P.S. please don't actually eat any hammers because it's really not good for you. Okay, so we had a video that literally just went up 40 minutes before the time of recording of this video, and I wanted to give you guys some early reactions and comments to our stories that McDonald's is bringing back their Szechuan sauce. Oh, saucy, saucy. Yum yum yum. Sick Apex wrote, I have never tried Szechuan sauce, but I really want to so bad. I really hope McDonald's brings it back. Also, if you're reading this, you're a potato. I don't know, I've always considered myself more of a grilled cheese, but yeah. Ooh, grilled cheese and Szechuan sauce, I bet that goes really well. Chum Patties asked if I really did say lucky sauce, but actually no, I said special sauce. A very special sauce. Finally, Theft TV says, England is my thrash can, which is really interesting because England is actually my egg slicer, so that's all we have. Those were the comments. Guys, don't forget to let me know who you would eat a hammer for, but actually don't eat hammers. As we know, this is crazy and it'll really hurt. It's weird. If you really feel like someone's so attractive, maybe just do this for a bit. And then you'll get over it. Plus you'll look like a fool. Thanks guys for watching this video. I'm Rebecca Felgate. If you liked it, make sure you give it a good thumbs up, share it with a friend, don't eat hammers, and stay subscribed to Inform Overload for more crazy news just like this. I'll see you next time.